everybody, this is a video on how to do your linear functions project. The first thing you're going to do is make sure to add your name to your project, and then also make sure that you click on this little person and you type in your teacher's email, make sure they're an editor, and then send it to them. That way we can see that you've done your project and we can take a look at it once you comment that you are done on Schoology for the project. Our learning target that we're going to be using for this project is, I can use a given situation to identify the rate of change, and I can use the rate of change to then graph and write an equation for the situation. So for a level 1 question, we're going to ask you to identify a rate of change from a graph. Level 2 would be, I can graph a situation given a rate of change and a starting point. A level 3, which means you're able to do the standard, is I can write an equation given a graph of a situation or the rate of change and a starting point. And exceeding is, I can use given information about the rate of change and make sense of a situation. So for the first question, you're going to take a look at this graph and answer which answer shows the correct rate of change for this graph. So pick one of these answers and say, I think that A, B, C, or D is the correct rate of change because For level 2, you're going to be looking at a situation involving current jobs. So for this project, you will be comparing the amount 3 students get paid at their current jobs. Erdwin makes $20 every 2 hours. He also gets a $10 starting bonus, which means he gets paid $10 when he starts the job, and then he gets paid $10 every 2 hours after that. Kalia makes $36 every 3 hours. And Awa gets paid a bonus of $18. That means he's paid $18 when he starts, and then he makes $6 per hour after that. You're going to download this graph into Notability, label the x-axis time in hours, and the y-axis money in dollars, and then graph a line for each student showing their total money over time. And you can upload a picture of your graph here. So I'm going to click on this link and tap on the blue part where it says graph for linear project. Then I'm going to click on the 3 dots in the corner once it finishes loading. There we go. I'm going to click on those 3 dots, click Open in Notability, Create New Note, Import, done. I'm going to go back to my docs, pull up from the bottom, and pull Notability to the side, and go to the graph. That way, I can, I need to change this. This doesn't look quite right. But you'll have your graph and you can use this information to plot on your graph. Once you're done, you can take a screenshot of your graph and add a picture by clicking the plus sign in the upper right corner. So if you click on this pencil, you should see a plus sign, and you can add in pictures in images. Okay. Then you are going to write an equation to represent the amount of money students make over time. So letting x be time in hours and y being money in dollars, you're going to write an equation for Erwin, Kalia, and Ewa. Then, if you want to get a 4, which is an exceeding score, you are going to answer these questions. At what time will Erwin and Ewa have the same amount of money? Blank hours. How much money will they have at that time? Dollars. At what time will Kalia and Ewa have the same amount of money? Hours. And they will have dollars. Who earns the most money after 3 hours? Earns the most money after 3 hours. After 3 hours, they have dollars. Who will earn $80 the fastest? And which student's job would you like to have and why? So I would want to earn the same amount as blank because blank. Once you finish your project, make sure you either comment done on Schoology or whatever Mr. Robbins or Mr. Argetsinger want you to do to make sure that you're submitting your project. And I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks. Bye.